You guys know how much I love my beachy wave look. I'm gonna go up a notch this summer. You know, last year the products, I've got 4 products that are gonna change this look, this undone glam beachy look, and we're gonna do it in under 10 minutes. And I've got a few accessories that I think you guys are gonna love. Okay, so you're gonna do towel dried hair, just like I have it now. I definitely get a lot of the water out. I do not blow dry at this point. We're gonna start with products. And the first product we're gonna start with is the MVP of all beach sprays, the Bumble and Bumble Surf Styling Leave-In. And actually it comes as a package, which is great for traveling, for being at the beach, being on vacation. The surf spray, which we're gonna talk about in a few minutes. But first we're gonna start with the Surf Styling Leave-In, and it's UV protection, and this is what really gets that texture and it going. We're starting to build up the hair, so do a dollop or 2, a little bit in the palm of my hand. I go together and then I start to just scrunch, and it smells so good. So this really defrizzes, it moisturizes, and it detangles. And again, I scrunch from the bottom up. Next is called Next Level, and I love this. It's called Nordic Cotton Heat Activated Volume Spray. So this is where you're gonna get your volume. Take this, put some in my hands, which is really odd, just for the ends. And then I'm gonna take underneath and I'm gonna spray it in here, just to give my roots some volume. And I'm gonna do the back as well. And underneath. I'm just doing this with my hands. So if you don't have good old ocean water, your next best thing is your surf spray. It's an oldie but a goodie. Their formula really hasn't changed, but it just works and I love it. I love in this small little container right here. And I'm gonna just show you. Again, I always start with my ends. It's a little trick I do. And then I'm just gonna let that sit for a second. So next I'm gonna start with Hot Tools. This is a professional hair dryer. Again, you can air dry it for 10 to 15 minutes, get dressed, do your makeup, and by that time it should have settled. I'm just gonna speed up the process. I'm gonna actually go on low though. And as I'm doing it, I'm gonna scrunch. So what I love about these products, you've got the Surf, then you've got your Next Level, and then you've got your surf spray from Bumble and Bumble. These are the 3 that really get the base of this sea salty, beachy look. And you can actually feel it. Like I just blow dried it so I can feel the texture. It is a little frizzy, but don't worry about that. We're gonna take care of that a little bit later with another product. But you should be able to run your fingers through it, but it feels like it's got volume and it feels like it's already got a lot of built-in texture, which is the point of this look. So next I'm gonna take the Croc. It's a new iron I'm trying out. I like it because it has a stick and it has a curling iron. So it's a 2-in-1 and I love the different settings that it has. So we're gonna go, you can do 430, 400, or 370. Again, this look is all about being piecey. So again, that's exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna piece it out. You're gonna start from the back and hold at the end. You should always curl away from your face. Put a little pressure, make sure it's tight, and leave the end up. Again, we're not gonna put very many, that's the whole look. Hold tight, wrap it around. Just for the record, this curling iron is incredible. And I love the barrel. I love the barrel size. These face framing pieces I'm gonna leave to the end. So then we have that. So next we're gonna do these pieces that frame your face. And again, I'm just gonna go a little bit back like that, wrap it around, wrap it around. And I'm not gonna leave it on very long. Just to have like a little bit of a curl. And I'm gonna finger it a little bit, finger through it. Okay, so then I'm just gonna brush a little bit Then last but not least, I'm going to use this oil spray. I love it because it takes off a little bit of the frizziness and it gives it a really beautiful shine. It's called BB Curl and it's a luminous oil spray with Brazilian oils. And I really love it because it really defrizzes the curls. Again, I'm gonna use my hand. Little goes a long way, people. So a lot of people don't actually spray on their hands. For me, using spray really gives me control, especially like an oil spray, because it can go on so heavy and then once it's on, it's done, it's too much. So I have a lot of control, especially with hairspray. It's almost like people old school, you know, spraying their toothbrush just to get these. It's the same thing you can do with your fingers. It's a little bit messy, but who cares? But you do have a lot of control over it. Because like a silicone spray or an oil spray, they really, really can be heavy. So a little trick is spray your hands, work with your hands. And that's really it. I mean, you don't wanna do a lot because the whole thing about this look is to have that beachy look. But what I love about these 4 products, they really build up the hair. They really build them up. Again, it has a little bit of a natural curl within a built-in curl that you did with the iron. And it kind of has that the Molly look, the undone done look that I always love. I'm gonna take it up a level because hair accessories are really on trend for the summer. A lot of girls are using them, everything from ribbons to scarves to pearls. So I got these. This is just an example of a pearl barrette. I got these on Amazon, I think less than $10. And just a few ways like to turn day into night or just add something trendy to your wardrobe that just shows you got this. So I'm gonna show you a couple of different ways on how to wear these barrettes. So one of the first ways I'm gonna show you is just to tuck it, leave a little bit of the ends out. Just a ponytail holder. I'm gonna wrap it a couple times. Then I'm gonna take a bigger one. I'm just gonna slide it through on top. So you have your ponytail holder. So you can also just take a small clip, and all the girls are kind of wearing it high. Take the clip, take a little piece back under. So you're gonna leave this here under, you're gonna do it over, and you're just gonna clip it in and just do it really simple like that. But again, it goes on top. But how sweet is that? It just really makes it beautiful, easy, effortless, and that's the whole point of this kind of look. So again, you can layer them, which I'm gonna layer a couple just so you guys can see it. And if you're gonna do this, I would say just leave one side, don't do 2. But how cool is that? And you've still got that beachy kind of curled look, but it just gives you that extra added little thing. And I don't know, I love it. I love these pearls. You know, I love this. It's a little bit effortless, which is the whole point. I spend a lot of time at the beach. I spend a lot of time, you know, just out and about, and these fun little things just kind of up the ante a little bit for your Instagram and social pictures that we all do and love. But these 4 products, some are old and some are new, but they really do add that texture. They give grit. And don't forget the tip about the hands, really using your hands, whether it be hairspray or oils, or just really having control of the product that goes into your hair a lot more. Send me pictures if you guys have any accessories you think I should use. I want to see them. I love hearing your feedback. Comment below, subscribe, and here's the summer.